afternoon, my viewers. Today I've completed piping both of plumbing and electrical piping. So I'm ready to cast this floor. So this is what I've done. The stairs. This is the stairs. This is what I've done. This is the electrical plumbing. And actually I've completed piping and plumbing and still fixing. Now I'm ready to start casting. So the materials are available. I've put the materials. This is what I have done. So after this, then I'll wait for curing 21 days. Then I start second floor walling up to roof. Is when I'm complete with phase 1, which is setting out up to roof work. So I'll be working on after roof. Is when I'll be working on stage 2, which is fittings and finishes. So, and that is just being done after the first phase is completed. So my electrician is finalizing with his work. The plumber has gone, and now the electrician is doing his final touches.